All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do just a quick update on some stuff coming up. I've got Javier with me, if he would ever turn around.
Hey guys,
he's letting me use the Tork Tech intake kit for the 2-valve Mustang from 99 to 2004, but this also will fit 96 to 98 NPI. You'll just have to do a head swap. We'll get into that later. Again, he's letting me borrow the kit. What we're going to do is I'm going to do a 3-part video. It's going to be a full walkthrough. First part is doing it outside of the car, install, how to grind the block, things to look for, and just some ins and outs of things that I found out personally when I did it on my own car. The second part, we're going to be using Javier's car to actually install the blower kit in the car. And it's going to be a complete walkthrough again. That way, if people don't have the motor already out of the car, they just bought it to slap on, you'll know how to do it that way. All right, so the third and final part is going to be, we're going to have all of this on the car and we're going to get it dyno tuned. We're going to see what it does before we do the blower and then after we do the blower kit. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of what we have and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, so we're going to walk through piece by piece of what you get when you buy the kit. Okay, first off, this is the intake. This is the main component. This actually adapts the Cobra M112 blower to the 2-valve head. Then you will also get this intercooler. Now, mind you, be very careful with this intercooler. It is strictly made by Tork Tech. If it breaks or anything, you have to go through them. Here's the Pulley Bridge, okay? It literally, you'll have to do a couple of different adaptations on some of the bolts. Everything comes in the kit, which is right here. You've got the coolant tubes, you've got all the bolts, all the bypasses, all of it. Your alternator is mounted upside down, but I never had an issue. This is their piggyback pulley for their blower. Runs I ran my blower about 9 pounds with no issues. And this is their Coolant Crossover. Again, these are all molded hoses strictly from Tork Tech. I have seen other people make them, and this is the Thermostat Housing. Now, like I said, this is a kit that works on the M112 Cobra blower, but you can upgrade it. The Whipple 2.3, 2.9, 3.4, any blower you decide to put on a Cobra, you can put it on this kit. There are some minor adjustments, like right here is a bolt you're gonna have to elongate, and right here is a bolt you'll have to elongate. Other than that, it's a direct set. I hope you guys enjoy this next 3-part system. You guys have a great one. I'll see you on the next one.